I ride in my truck, you'll leave hella satisfied.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Okay.
Dude, this is gonna be
I don't know, dude.
Yep, Rooney. Hey, Hugo, could you...
Oh,
this shit.
Jeez, stupid. Shane!
He's like, holy shit, I'm just gonna sell this truck. Come on, man, get over here, Alright. Alright, so what kind of sexy corn dogs you got for me?
Huh?
What kind of sexy corn dogs you got?
I was trying with something dirty, but nah.
No, you got some specials, like some kind of special corn
We got
dogs.
79-cent corn dogs.
Damn, baby.
That was the only corn dogs we got.
Got any big ass ones?
I wish, man.
I got a big one right here for you, man.
See, that's a joke. That's a joke. I was like, nah, that's too fucked up. So you been thinking about something?
Yeah. I call it a blowjob right now, but Wilson Way's over there.
See?
But let's see here. What kind of food you guys want?
I'm good, dude.
I kind of want some meat between my buns.
This shit's off, dude.
Fuck up.
Where's the trees at?
Huh?
Where's the trees at?
You got trees? You want to sell some trees? Let's go get some
I
trees.
just like my
That's
trees.
right, you fuck yeah. Fuck.
No trees today?
I got a big pine wood right here, though. Alright, man. I'll see you, man. I'm gonna give you a little test drive here. Ready?
Oh, shit! Hey, Shane, swing it. Oh, shit!
Alright, now
Dude. Hey, let's watch it.
I want some meat from my buns.